thank you all for coming here, especially for the speakers and the sponsors of today's workshop who made this a possibility. I would personally like to thank Ada Europe, Ada France, Ada Belgium, and Ada Core, who have been the ones providing a lot of financial help to get the prices as low as possible for this workshop. Especially Ada France and Ada Belgium came in the last second to reduce those prices even more at the very end. So thank you very much.
I want to welcome you as well on behalf of Ada Europe, and we're glad to support this workshop to bring a bit more Ada into the conference for the people who are really interested in having lots of Ada presentations. I would like to take the occasion as well to tell everybody that Ada Europe can only survive when there are sufficient active volunteers, people who put some time and effort into activities that Ada Europe needs to do. And some of those activities are also development or help with organizing things. Specific issues that we are looking for help is the evolution of the registration system that we are using for these conferences. This has been used for some time. It's all written in Ada. We have some lessons learned, things that could be improved, that we might like to see different, and it would help tremendously if we could find some volunteers who want to put some work in there. And other things as well, maintenance of the website, evolution of the website, other software that we might want to use. So this is a call to all of you, online and in person. If you have some spare energy, spare time, feel free to contact the board@adaeurope.org to see whether you can help us and help the community. Okay, so welcome everyone here. I hope you enjoyed the dev room. Sorry, not the dev room. That's Foster, the workshop.
Hopefully we will keep doing this workshop more and more and with more participants. We're already in this room quite packed. And just as a kind of nice thing, I would like to dedicate this workshop to Simon, who passed away, as was mentioned a few months ago. He was basically the heart and soul of Ada in Apple devices, in Macs. And he was always coming to the Ada monthly meetup that I organized. And he was always super willing to help others. Every time someone was in the chats asking for questions about Mac or why was something not working, how could you get something working, etc. It was as easy as to ping him and he would pop up somewhere sometime later and answer the questions. He was always willing to help others. So yeah, we dedicate this workshop to him.